You've chosen to install an Edmunds SupaVent on your roof. Soon you'll be enjoying a cooler, more energy efficient and healthier home as your SupaVent removes hot and damp air from your roof space. Installing an Edmunds roof vent is relatively simple. This video will help you to prepare properly for the job and provides a step-by-step guide to get the job done quickly, safely and effectively. Make sure you also refer to the installation instructions provided with the vent before you proceed. As you'll be working at height, it is important that you think about your safety. A safety harness attached to fixed anchor points will provide the best fall protection. These are available at your local hire store. For a two-storey home, we recommend using a professional installer. To find an installer near you, visit our website, edmunds.com.au. For working outdoors, long trousers and a cap are recommended, and don't forget the sunscreen. Wear shoes with non-slip soles. Before you start, you'll need to select the location for your vent. One SupaVent will ventilate a ceiling area of up to 90 square metres. Vents should be located near the centre of the area to be ventilated and evenly spaced across the roof. Roof vents are available in a range of colours, so you can select a vent which will complement the colour of your roof. In your roof vent box, you'll find the following: a base flashing, a vari-pitch throat, the vent turbine, a fixing strap, screws, the warranty certificate and installation instructions. To safely complete the job, you'll need the following tools and equipment: a tool belt or safe means of carrying tools onto the roof, for example a bucket with a non-slip base, a ladder, a safety harness, a rubber mallet, a retractable bladed knife, a cordless drill with a number 2 Phillips head screw bit and an 8mm drill bit, tin snips, a caulking gun with clear silicone, a 450mm spirit level, self-tapping screws and a pencil. Before accessing the roof, ensure the ladder is secured to the gutter. Check the condition of the roof to make sure it's safe to work on. Ensure that the roof is sound, dry and free from mould, as this can create a slip hazard. Take all tools and vent components onto the roof before you start. Attach your safety harness to the anchor point. Identify your selected vent position close to the ridge line and centre the base flashing between 2 ridge capping screws to ensure it's clear of roof timbers. Remove the 2 ridge capping screws and keep for later. Slip the top edge of the base flashing under the ridge capping, ensuring it covers the corrugations equally. Mark the hole using the flashing as a guide. Bend the sides of the base flashing downwards to ensure it can be returned to the correct position and then remove to drill a pilot hole. Then cut the hole with the tin snips. If the roof is sarked or has insulation blanket installed, cut out the sarking or insulation under the hole using a retractable bladed knife. Using the caulking gun, apply a bead of silicone to the edges of the flashing to ensure a waterproof seal. Replace the base flashing and secure the flashing to the roof metal through the ridge capping using the screws you removed earlier. Secure the base flashing to the roof metal with self-tapping screws. These are not provided. Bend down the flashing at the bottom edge of the roof and make 2 small incisions above each corrugation valley to ensure a close fit. Take the vari-pitch throat and check it's the right way up with the 3 notches on the top. Rotate the 2 sections of the vari-pitch until the top looks roughly level. Place the vari-pitch over the flashing. Adjust the vari-pitch and check it's level in both directions. Once the top of the vari-pitch is level, insert the screws provided in the holes at the bottom of the vari-pitch and secure it to the flashing. Insert a screw in the bottom of the vari-pitch clip to secure the throat in the level position. Using the caulking gun, apply silicone to the inside seam of the Vari-Pitch and the inside of the screws of the Vari-Pitch clip. Be careful not to apply silicone between the flashing and the Vari-Pitch. This serves as a natural gutter. Take the turbine and place it on the Vari-Pitch, lining up the turbine arms with the notches on the Vari-Pitch. Fasten the turbine to the Vari-Pitch using the screws provided. Check the turbine is spinning freely. Check you've collected all the tools, packaging and components to remove from the roof. Detach the safety harness, then carefully step off the roof and climb down the ladder. To ensure adequate ventilation, it is recommended to include at least 4 under-eave vents for each SupaVent. To install the eave vent, cut a rectangular hole roughly 390mm by 190mm in the eave lining. To achieve this, drill a pilot hole in each corner, then cut out the hole with a handsaw. Screw the eave vent to the eave lining using the screws provided. Congratulations! You can now relax and enjoy your cooler, more energy efficient and healthier home thanks to your new Edmunds SupaVent.